So students, now this numerical, look at this numerical, right? So this numerical has been made by me actually, okay? So what I think that these types of questions can also come in GATE examination, okay? So the numerical is actually two beams A with Fe415 M25 grade concrete and beam B with Fe500 with M20 grade concrete have equal value of XU max. Equal value of XU max. The ratio of effective depth, corrected up to two decimal places, of beam A to beam B is. Okay, so what in question it has been given. Now in question it has not been mentioned the value of ES, whether it is same or different. If it has not been mentioned, I told you take it as 2 into 10 raised to power 5. It means that equal for all the type of structural steel. Now to confuse you, I have put it here M225 and M20. So what do you think the expressions that we had got for the grades of concrete, does it depend on the grades of concrete? No, because the limit in the assumption of limit state method, it has been said that the maximum strain in concrete is 0.0035. It has not been mentioned for which grade of concrete. It means that for every grade of concrete, the maximum strain value has to be taken equal. Similarly, for the elastic also it is 0.002, which has not been mentioned, right? Okay, so for every grade of concrete, the value of 0.0035 and 0.002 strain, it will not change, it will be same. But the value of Fe415 and Fe500 is changing. Will it change the value of XU? The answer is yes. Okay, so this was there was a theoretical question also that the value of XU limiting depends on number 1 grade of concrete, number 2 grade of steel, number 3 Young's modulus, number 4 B and C. So the answer would be Young's modulus as well as the grade of steel. It does not depend upon the grade of concrete. There was a theoretical question also in ESE examination. Clear? Now let us solve this numerical. It is very equal, very easy. So in question it has been given equal value of XU max. So a hint has been given to. If the two grades of steel have equal value of XU max, I told you that XU limiting or XU max, that is the same thing, okay? XU max is equals to 0.48 D for Fe415, right? And the value of XU max is equals to 0.46 D for Fe500. What is the value for Fe550? You can get the answer. You just put the value in the equation which I had give you. You will get the value for 550 also, but 550 is not needed because in numericals maximum they are asking 500, not up to 550. Okay. Okay. So these two values are equal because equal values of XU max. So if I put these equal, so this is for beam A. So beam A. Always remember, just compare beam A Fe41. This is beam A. This is beam B. Because a lot of students they make mistakes, they write it as beam A and write it as beam B, and after that they just they make mistakes. Okay, so let me put these values equal. So 0.48 D for beam A is equals to 0.46 D for beam B. So I have to put the answer up to beam A to B, not B to A, right? So let me write it here, the answer, let me write it here. So it will be equal to dA divided by dB. The ratio of the effective depth dA over dB, it will be equal to 0.46 upon 0.48. 0.46 upon 0.48. Clear? So what will be the answer? So answer will be 0.9 something, I guess. 0.46 divided by 0.48. 0.95. 0.958. In question it has been mentioned corrected up to two decimal places, right? So the answer will be 0.95. 0.95 will be the answer. So write it here, 0.95. Now sometimes students ask me, sir, because in GATE examination these types of questions come that corrected up to two decimal places. So sir, if I do not write it up to two decimal places, if I write it up to one decimal place, will the answer be correct? yes, the answer will be correct. And let us say that answer was 270.12, but you wrote it 227.1. Your answer will be correct. But why to take risk, right? Because sometimes it doesn't matter. Let us say that if they make it incorrect because they had asked for 2 decimal places. Sometimes students, what they do not read the questions carefully, and just they put these types of answers. The answer is correct because GATE is giving you a range for the correct answer. The correct answer would be from the 27.01 to 27.15. There will be a particular range. But if you are writing it in one digit, I feel that you should write it in 2 digits because the answer it is asking in 2 digits. And why to take risks? Okay, so the answer would be 0.95. Okay. So I hope, students, that you have understood the concept of LSM, you have understood the concept of WSM, you have understood the concept of ultimate load method. Now what we'll be doing, now we'll be moving to the next topic, and let us meet at the next video and understand a lot more concepts. Okay, so let's meet at the next video.